Good morning, Your Holiness. I'm Rebecca Sauer from Presentation Academy. What is the greatest obstacle you have faced so far on your journey to promote peace and preserve the Tibetan culture?
Kasa.
발제 제시로 가르쳐요 나서.
있어.
군대에 배배 러시아 송ገብ다 아니 시대 송때 배야. 근데 답시대 잘해도 돌아야 단다 봐도 발제 제시로 가르쳐요 나서.
I think peace and global level or also greater also
world level.
the greater way
나래.
thing, then I feel ignorance. I really feel ignorance and short-sighted. Short-sighted way. Short-sighted.
또 군대 국이 있어서 군대 국이 그때 남백가봐야 고견 제시로 가르쳐요 나서.
So 당연히 질 something.
나서.
So one of my commitment is promotion of human value and also promotion of religious harmony. In these two fields, I think the real obstacle is lack of knowledge, lack of short-sightedness, lack of holistic. So I always try to explain. Then about Tibet,
배배로 송송겹. Tibetan culture.
I think again, Rishungi Pandokariva, Mashina in Rishunsin
Again, the same thing is to try to educate other people about the value of the Tibetan culture, because if people don't appreciate the value, then they don't see the point of protecting it and preserving it.
You see some Tibetan, actually you see some good student and very good sort of potential become scholar. Sometimes they stop their study and illegally immigrate to United States making money. So quite large number of Tibetan who illegally immigrate to Europe and America, these people not for preservation of Tibetan culture, but just seeking American dollar or European euro. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.